Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading, guys. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. Let's see what are these cards first. We have Ace of Pentacles, Two of Cups and Nine of Wands in reverse. So Leos, in your situation today, guys, there may be some obstacles you are facing, something is stressing you. Maybe it may be you are having some sickness and that is affecting your working potential, guys. Or it may be some situation, something is happening which is not up to expectation, maybe some travel plans or some kind of a timeline you need to work with, or it may be a separation from your friend or your sibling, someone you love and trust a lot. So this person is away from you. That is giving you a lot of stress because there is a void in your heart. You are missing them. So some kind of sadness because of that. So that is obstructing the way things are in your life today, guys. Leos. But Leos, we have positive cards here also, guys. So you may be seeing some partnership or collaboration in your work. Some positive changes are happening in your work situation today, and this person or with this person you love, you may step into a deeper commitment. Maybe they want marriage or you want marriage, and you're working towards a beautiful understanding with each other, and things are going in a very positive way for your relationship, guys, or for your love with this person. You have that mutual love understanding and you have that emotional satisfaction, contentment and joy in your situation. So it may be regarding your career situation or your relationship. Things are going in a very positive way, and I also see a new beginning in love, guys, for you all. So if you are if you are open to a new relationship, you are finding someone new today, or if you are already in a relationship, you are moving towards a deeper commitment, a better understanding and more intimate relationship with this person, Leos. So that is the energy with these cards, Leos. We have a very positive reading here for you all. If you want more clarity or if you have some doubts or confusion, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Stay tuned for that pick a card, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt, and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for you all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional, maybe you are crying, you are very much disturbed, but all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you, and with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to what to say, don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.